whatever that has happened, whatever people that voted for APC are those who are not happy about things that have been done in state. And they said they show it by voting and they didn't bother whether they voted or not. You can see when there's only one supposed to stick their neck and say we must. And if you see the kind of level of violence, all the people they arrested were APC, the APC voters. If you see the level also of those that suffered, I remember Anambra East, the house they burned down was a young lady, a northern young lady who is a APC supporter. Her crime is that she believed in the party, and then because she believed in the party, the commissioner from there, the secretary of Africa from there, and then one other major officer was there, was there. All of them put together. The young lady defeated all of them from the polling booth up to the point of up to the point of up to the point of collection, like the word. She won the word. She won in the polling booth, and the one that bought the house is that APC that bought the house too. So it's something that's obvious. I go and find out. Anambra is. So it's not far from here. So if we're talking about, say, like I said, but we'll get the whole information holistically together and then know what happened. And then we can be able to decide what happened. With all the money they spent, but people say no, we must follow you. So they targeted that innocent girl and bought that house. Today she's homeless. And I have not had one arrest of those who are homeless. Of course, she also those who came to our house before it. Have police arrested of them? No, they have not. So all I'm saying is that we will talk when the time is right. But for Anambra State, non-incumbent person, from whatever they've allotted to me or whatever that action might be voted for, have 99,000 votes, it's unprecedented. So those, whatever decision I'm going to take will affect those 97,000 people. That's what that decision is. Decision I will not take in a hurry. The decision that I must carry them along. The decision they must know. This 97,000 who voted for me without anybody to see them with money or anything. Who voted for me, not minding that they are not councillors or chairman local government or chairman local governments or commissioners, advisors, assistants, or one way or the other. They voted because of it. They voted because Anambra must move forward. They voted because of their tomorrow. In the midst of this, how can you not say that those 95,000 sit and say this is no? I have to consult them. I have to know their thinking. I have to follow what they say. I have to do what they want. 97,000 people in North can work on the money. Say no, it's not about the government. It's about those people because in their support and doggedness and dedication to their work. You can imagine in the midst of that, not being able to pay their agency money for the agents, they still stood for their party. That kind of thing cannot be wished away. So, like I said before, I'll hear from them. I'll look at this now, and then I'll decide that what next. I'll consult my party too, and then we'll now make